Jess here. I just got off of the Blizzard Cheyennes. I would give this ski a 4 out of 5 stars. It's really meant for an intermediate to advanced level skier. What I loved about this ski was it's a little bit narrower underfoot, so does really well on the front side. It is super snappy and responsive. It really brings you into these turns before you even know that you want to turn. Keeps you really steady and stable, but they're so quick, it's amazing. So if you're looking for a really great frontside ski, this is the ski for you.